good morning. How are you? It's so nice to meet you here today. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you are blessed and highly favored. I'm also blessed. My name is Miss Hughes. What about you? Great. We thank God. This morning, our lesson for the day is our letter sound. It's our letter sound. We are going to learn our letter sound. But one thing I want you to know is that in Jolly Phonics letter sounds, we have 42 letter sounds. We have 42 letter sounds. But today, we are coming to learn the first group, which is Satipin, but the letter sound S, because that is the first letter sound of the first group. Great! But before we go back to our lesson, I have a nice story to tell you, and I hope you will enjoy it. Good! Great! Once upon a time, time tells. Good! Once upon a time, time tells. It's a sunny day. Can you all see the sun? It's a sunny day. A boy went for a walk with his dog. Have you seen the boy and his dog? Great! A boy went for a walk with his dog, and the boy threw a stick. Have you all seen the stick? Great! The boy threw the stick, and the dog started looking for the stick. The dog was sniffing around. Sniffing, let's sniff. The dog was sniffing all around, and it saw a snake. Have you all seen the snake? It saw the snake seated up, and the snake was hissing. How was the snake hissing? The snake was hissing. So the boy came to grab the dog, and they left, and the snake slitted away. Great! The snake slitted away. So that is the end of our story. Who can tell me the letter sound or the sound he heard the snake making? Mrs. is still waiting. Great job! The snake was hissing. Great! So that is the letter sound we got out of the story. So have you seen the letter sound? Great! Great! Now look at the letter sound itself. Let's sound it again. Great! So this is again. Great job! So we are coming to do the action of the letter sound. Now bring your hand up, curve it like the snake. Now we are going to do the action of S. Let's go. Great! We are going to do it once again. Curve it like the head of the snake. Let's go. Great! We are going to do it the last time. Great! That is it. Well done. So we are going to write the letter sound. We are going to write the letter sound. Who can help me? Okay, let's go to the board. And always remember, when writing a letter sound, we start at a point. Great. So we start at a point. Now let's go. Please listen to the formation so that you can use it in the house or help your word with it. You start at a point. From the head of the snake, you slither down the tail. You are going to write it again. From the head of the snake, you slither down the tail. Great! You are writing it again. You start at a point. From the head of the snake, slither down the tail. We are writing it again. From the head of the snake, slither down the tail. Great job. So these are letter sound. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Let's sing it again. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Great. So, what letter sound did we learn for today? Great. Who else can help Miss Heaps? Good. So this is our letter sound for the formation is from the head of the snake, you slither down the tail. From the head of the snake, you slither down the tail. Good. And the action is, let's do it again. Great. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Great. Okay, we are coming to end this lesson with a rhyme song. So, who can help me with a rhyme song? Great. Take a little step and jump to the corner. Take a little step and jump to the corner. Take a little step and jump to the corner. La 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 la. Oh, clap your hands, stamp your feet, spread a little laugh around, around. Oh, clap your hands, stamp your feet, spread a little laugh around. Thank you so much, and we would we will end the lesson for today. Meet you tomorrow. Bye bye.